Today, let's talk about Leetcode problem 3296. First part is description. You are given an integer that indicates the height of the mountain, limited h. You are given an integer array, work time. That means working time of workers in seconds. In order for every worker, in order to decrease the height of the mountain by x, the consuming time is wt for wt worker I, wti plus wti multiply 2 plus wti multiply 3 plus wti multiply x. What you need to do is make a strategy and distribute the whole height of the mountain h into different workers. Every worker can work at the same time. The goal of this problem is to make the consuming time as small as possible and return the minimum amount of seconds. This is the first part, description of this problem. So let's talk about the second part, the solution. What you need to do is maximum the amount of seconds. For every worker, the consuming time is WTI plus WTI multiply 2 plus WTI multiply 3 plus WTI plus X. So you can make a priority queue. The key of the priority is time, consuming time. Every time you can take the least value in this priority queue. That means you should take the least time as small as possible to decrease the height of the mountain. After you take one, you should add another into this priority queue. For example, more specifically, if you take the 2 second of if you take the 2 second, this is the smallest value in the priority queue. When you need to add another one, you need to add the first 3 elements to this priority queue. That means you need to spend such time if you want to worker I decrease the height of the mountain by another one. This is hard to explain. Let's take the example provided by Leetcode. Let's take the second example. Example, height equal 10, and the first worker is 2 3 3 2 3 2 2 4. Every step you need the consuming time is 3 plus 3 multiply 2. Two plus 2 multiply 2 plus 2 multiply 2. And this is the same. 4 plus 4 multiply 2, 4 multiply 3, 4 multiply 4. So for the initial status of the priority height is 10, priority is 3, 2, 2, 4. So you will pick the least value in the priority queen and take it and take the 2. Meantime, in order to decrease the height of the mountain from 10 to 9, you can take the 2 and add another elements into the priority queen. Another elements should be you take the first elements of second worker, so you need to put the first 2 elements into the priority queen. So you need to into 6. So the priority queen, when the height of the mountain is 9, the priority queen is 3, 6, 2, 4. Let's take another step. If you want to decrease 9 to 8, you can make this to another. That means 6. So the 3. In addition, if you want to take another step, that means 3 is the least number in the priority queue. So you can take the 3 and put another element that should be this. That means it is 9, 6, 6, 4. You can do this step one by one till it is 0. So the last value you can take the step one by one and get the answer. This is the result of this problem. This is the solution. This is the solution part. Okay, let's talk about the third part, complexity. First part is time complexity. We should decrease the height one by one until 0. So we need to do this each times. For every step, we need to take elements from priority queue and add another one into it. The time complexity of operation about priority queue is O log n. So the whole time complexity is OH plus log n. This is the whole time complexity. In terms of space complexity, we generate a priority queue that the space complexity of a priority queue is On. So the space complexity is On. This is all about this problem. Thanks for your watching.